To you too.
Bark at your dog and see what they do.
Am I bleeding? Am I bleeding? Am I bleeding? Am I bleeding?
Slowly approach your dog, and then do a little jump at the end.
Top 10 dogs I would pet instead of my dog. None, because I love Maddie and only Maddie.
Very good feed. I think more was going to get it right. Well, you're fucking dead, eh? Fucking idiot. It's fucking hard.
You got rage.
Give your dog a round of applause and watch their reaction.
Why are you biting me? Do you want me to die? I didn't think so. Who else is gonna feed you? Daisy!
Tell your dog you don't want to play and record their reaction.
I don't want to play.
Bark at your dog and see what they do. Get your dog ready for a walk and pretend like you forgot them. If you have a dog, run in opposite directions to see who your dog loves more.